Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying the essentials. Check CPU and GPU temps, and kill background apps that steal CPU, GPU, or disk. Next, update your graphics drivers and switch the game to exclusive full screen so input and frame timing improve. Reduce render scale or resolution if needed. This trades quality for responsiveness. Once done, lock your target FPS close to your monitor refresh rate to avoid stutters and screen tearing, and make sure power settings are on high performance. You'll now address network and detailed game parameters because lag often comes from packets, not graphics. Run a quick ping and packet loss test, then switch to wired Ethernet for stable latency. In-game, lower interpolation or client-side buffer values and raise update rates only if your connection handles it. Once set, disable cloud sync and auto-updates so transfers don't spike bandwidth. Make sure router co-S isn't throttling the game. Prioritize your PC's IP, if available, to reduce jitter. Finish by verifying game files and running a short benchmark or FPS log so you can compare before and after results. This gives objective data. If issues persist, roll back to a previous GPU driver or reinstall the game to clear corrupted assets. Make sure overlays and recording are fully disabled and test on another server or local demo to isolate network versus client lag. If you still see packet loss, contact your ISP and test with different Ethernet cables. That single check often fixes mysterious drops.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.